Good evening, students. This is Dr. Craig, and this is your Media and Crime course. And what we're going to look at for this particular subject matter is who, what, when, and where. I want to speak to you about a widely unknown serial killer. His name is Coral Eugene Watts. He was an African American serial killer, which is surprising to some, but he's also one of the only serial killers that was almost paroled in our United States history, and actually out of Texas. What I want to do is have you do some research on who he was, why was he able to carry out such heinous crimes, the high number of victims that he had, mostly were women, and how is it that he was able to almost get paroled for crimes, such heinous crimes that he did commit. What role did the media play at that time? What role did criminal investigations and the state of Texas, I should say, the state of Texas and its prosecutions? Um, so, this will be an interesting topic for you, and as you look at outcomes, and also, as I said before, why is it that he's widely an unknown serial killer? Um, so, what I would have you do is do the research. We can look it up in class. I'll suggest that you go to a YouTube video, and there's a documentary on Mr. Watts, and review that video. It's about 45 minutes long. Gives you some insight on his background, how he came to carry out these deeds in such a manner that was widely unnoticed for quite some time, the time period in which it happened. Then I would have you write a 2 to 3 page uh, paper using APA citation format, explaining some of the questions that will be placed in your platform online, and just giving some background and what you think um, should have been the outcome. What happened had he? What would have happened in our society had he been released? And what did he say in terms of how what would happen if he was released? Please do not use Wikipedia in any of your research in your APA citations. That's not it's known in academia not to be a reliable source. So please avoid that as much as you can. If you have any questions, additionally, please contact me uh, on either email or via office phone during office hours. I look forward to discussing this with you and for our next class session. Thank you, and this is Dr. Craig.